little friend here.
I just started recording. Need to get out of my way, Zerf. I gotta get out of the way so Skeezy isn't in my recording. Okay, there we go. I have a clear view of this now. Watch us all die. Because we're probably really fucking close to this. Alright. I just want my girlfriend first. So...
They're chatting.
No chatting.
Well, I don't think you'll disconnect. You'll just lose a lot of friends.
No, I think
and
Freddy will
your
disconnect.
ping will... It's not that bad, to be honest.
My PC will explode. Don't chat.
It
Okay.
gets
Let your chat bubble go away,
worse.
Freddy. If you need to chat, do it in Discord, not in the server.
Roy, have you ever done a fireworks event before?
In the past with CSG and then a very early one in the
Was it as
early
big as
phase.
this?
Yeah,
Was it as big
I
as
think I was
this?
also there for one with no, not with Milk Gang.
Because this one's crazy. Because these cars go to
Yeah, I'll
like
shoot it. I'll
towing
shoot it.
company.
Oh, okay, okay, QD.
Roy,
Okay, cool.
with these cars actually have gone to like the towing company. We did one with buses, and the bus went all the way to like the East Dyke. But like before the thing,
Somebody's
like
up there by the top Humvee or the top. Yeah, get the fuck down. Get the fuck over here. What the fuck are you doing? Are you fucking stupid? Turn off your music. Turn off your music. Turn off your fucking music. Turn off his
Easy,
music.
will that guy in the back get in our way
Shoot
for
him,
the
shoot him.
picture? Are we doing countdown?
Okay, there we go.
Alright.
Oh my god, no. There we go.
3, 2. Oh wait, alright. Steezy, just one question. Will that guy in the back get in our way, or is he fine? Will he not be there?
Who is that?
Alright, cool. I was
He
just
doesn't
wondering,
deserve
because I
to see
just
it.
shot him.
Oh shit, it's happening.
Dismal.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Oh god, the server just lagged.
Oh.
Oh my god, I can move around. I've been
Dimzo, he's been he said I can kill him more.
Oh my god.
Oh, here we go. Oh.
Oh, we run in
just
60
popped up on my
frames.
F5. Yeah, I have no network
I have
connection right now.
I'm on 6,000 ping right now.
Say that again, Dimzo, and I will kill you.
What the fuck?
Oh shit, what is my ping?
My ping
Just
is
wait for it.
2,000.
They'll go fine.
6,000.
My ping is 9,000!
6,000.
Oh my god!
8,000.
6,900.
My ping is 9,000!
I can't even reset, bro. I can't even reset.
Holy shit.
7k.
My chat message just popped up saying 60 FPS.
Let's go 8,000.
8K.
Hey.
8,500.
I love 8,000.
Yeah, we're at 8,800. Oh,
8,600.
Is that 9,000 ping I see?
did you mark your money before you blew
Okay,
it
now
up?
it's
so you
going
know how
down.
much you lost?
Oh yeah, mine's going down. Just went back to 8,000. This
10
one's taking a
grand.
bit longer.
10k.
Oh no, it just went to
Everybody
11,000.
else is gonna everybody who gets money from their
Ooh,
exploding cars,
7,000?
give it back to QD. If you get money from your blown up car, give it back to QD. Oh my
Dude, how
god.
much?
7,000,
Honestly,
5,000.
I got
gets-
7,500 too.
Unless she's
Oh, I got 5,000. Oh, now I got 10,000. Alright. I was gonna
Okay,
say,
good.
wow, I'm doing pretty good. And then it doubled.
Oh, 10,000! Oh my god!
Yeah, I'm at 10k as well.
Oh,
I'm
and
honestly
there goes
expecting
QD.
these cars to fly in front of us.
Oh, I got 2,000 ping. Okay, we're going down.
2,002, I got 2,000.
It's like we're in Brazilian servers. Alright, oh, now we're going back up.
Oh, okay, now it's dropping, I'm at 3k.
Okay, now we're in Oceanic servers. Alright.
I'm back at 5k? 3.5?
Bro, this one's taking forever. They used to like be really quickly. I think it's just the amount of people on the server.
Oh my god.
I'm just staying at 3k
disconnected,
ping.
so. Oh no, he's still here. I don't know where he went then. Did he die?
You're my
Freddy,
PC.
you're my PC!
Oh, this might be it, boys.
Tax, where are you going? What are you doing, Tax?
Oh shit! Oh, the cars! Run! Run! Oh shit!
Just like one
Run!
good
They're
thing.
all
Holy
frozen. They are all
Run!
frozen.
Oh, there it goes, there it
Run
goes.
slow.
Oh, nah.
They go
Cars!
flying.
Holy shit!
I
Oh,
I
fuck.
disconnected. Let me
Allah Akbar.
Bro, these are some like nice ass screenshots.
Everyone
Right
fucking run! Holy shit!
here. Bro. Yo.
Everyone's moving. Holy
No,
shit!
no.
You know that clip of FPS Russia where he almost gets fucking
Yeah, I know
like
exactly
sucked
what
in
you're
half
talking
by a
Yo.
car door?
This
That
is
almost
basically
happened to
what's
me,
going
but with
on.
like an entire car.
I heard someone die. My shit's just lagging.
Dude, okay, everything's
Bro,
fine.
see, I
Holy
told you
shit.
goes flying.
This is so scary. I don't know if I'm about to get hit by a car
I
because
am
I'm
running
going so
massive
slow.
car bombing right here. This is
I'm about to get
Ivory's wet
deleted.
dream.
Ooh.
Where's Proto when you need him?
This is like
Bro, they
playing
go
Russia
flying.
roulette, but with like 48 cars.
Oh
Okay,
my
now everything's
god.
moving.
Okay, now I'm running. Alright. Running, but slowly.
I just got like
Holy shit.
1.5k from
See,
the car.
there they go. They
That's
go
a beautiful
flying. Bro,
screenshot.
they go like prompt nearly. Oh, that one's going prompt. That one's going
Oh my
prompt. 100%.
god, boys.
Holy shit. Some of them
I
are just
told you
moving
the
back
I
and
got
Firework
forth.
is
hit!
fun.
Whoa, whoa,
I'm
run
gonna
out
do
of the
that
way,
perfectly
run out of
to
the way.
steal the cars.
That one's going prompt. That one's going prompt. That's got a dream. That one's got a dream.
That one's
Holy
got a
shit.
dream. Dude, they're
Some
tied
of
to
these
their
cars
are
fucking
going so
aspirations as
high.
well. No, oh my god,
Who's
no
in the
doubt all these
admin
cars are
car?
like... You guys remember when Josh did the EL space program? Well,
Yeah.
only if you guys will remember that, but this is very reminiscent of that. But you know, 10 times
Dude,
more,
this one literally
Holy
about to go
shit, some kid got
prompt,
launched.
like following.
I
I see the
launched, I got
commercial
launched.
truck.
They
The
got launched
commercial
again.
truck is going on the airway thing.
Oh
Holy
my
shit.
god, this is
This
just a
one's going to
mess.
prom. I'm not kidding.
I'm
This
very
one is
pinged
going
right now.
Remember what I said? We might need armor for like shrapnel.
Yeah,
Dude.
yeah, this is why you have
This
flak
literally
jackets.
looks like we're in space.
Wait.
It looks like we're in space, I swear. Their wheels
Raining
go
tires right now.
Dude.
I'm following this one, guys. I'm at. You're
Dude,
going
some
fast.
cars are
Somebody
going to
flung.
skybox.
Somebody got flung.
How many ping? How much ping? Oh, I got
my god,
300
one's actually
ping.
making the power up right now.
You
I
know, I'm
felt
at
so
the one at
superior
prom.
when
I'm
everyone is
chasing
saying
this.
I'm running like
I'm
3
storm
frames.
chaser.
So I was running 60 the whole
Oh,
time.
they
Dude,
just
I'm running
landed, guys. It
50
just
right now.
landed. This one landed prom, guys. This
My
one
lowest
prom.
was
I'm
30.
not kidding.
Dude, one landed perfectly on the road facing down the street. Two did.
Bro, there's two at prom. There's
Oh
two
my
landed at prom.
god.
Two landed at prom.
The only time I got a frame drop, one of them, one was whenever the entire, like all the cars blew up. I went down to 2 frames.
Oh, I didn't drop any frames the entire time. My
Bro,
lowest frames was
Really?
Guys,
Yeah.
My thing dropped
on my video, you
hard.
can see on my video, I'm constantly moving around at like 30 to 60 FPS.
Mhm.
Oh my god.
guys, you know the motel at prom?
Yeah,
That was
once again,
awesome.
I'm
I
powered up right now.
recorded it all.
Do you guys know the motel at prom? Cause there's
I
one.
wanted to send
the
the recording.
Motel.
I
Someone's
wanted to
killing
send the
people.
recording, but it's 8
Someone's
minutes
killing
long.
people.
I'm gonna have to send this on YouTube, dude.
Oh, I can't spawn more than 5 vehicles. We need somebody with a tow truck.
1080p, so.
We need someone with a tow truck. I can't spawn in more than 5 vehicles.
Oh my god, dude, I have to go to the top of this. Don't shoot my Humvee, guys.
I'm
Just
on
in
the
case you get
back.
a little fucking trigger
Mom.
happy, want to get yelled at. Don't shoot my
Your
Humvee.
mouth.
There's
in
tires
front.
everywhere, dude. There are tires scattered across the map.
Let's see if we went the our way.
Guys, which one was the furthest?
I think one's in Power Ramp right now. I know there's somebody said there's 2. I can only see 1. I didn't go that far.
Yeah, that's me. There's
Other
one
name?
Oh,
at
is that one in
Motel.
our way?
There's
There might be
at
one in our
Motel.
way.
Dude, we gotta
that
get one
might-
launched like OK Steppy. OK be Steppy or whatever the fuck.
There's a way to do
Step.
that, Morak, but that's gonna cost us enough.
Oh, I can finally spawn in a hyper
And
car.
maybe a couple PC, GPUs, and CPUs at the same time.
Yeah,
And a couple cooling
it's
fans.
you know when you spawn 2 cars, like you know people spawn 2 cars and they glitch inside each other.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do that.
We do that, but with like 10 people. and they get
SCS
like
is
20
enabled.
times
That's
over.
like getting two
Yeah,
laptops right next to
and
each
then
other type
it's
of
and
shit.
then
I
it's
don't know if that'll work.
yeah. Guys, I'm nearly here. I just walked from front
I'm
and
driving
back.
in the I'm driving in the R way right now, and I'm gonna drive into Power Up and see what's in there. My lord, dude. My fucking god. Hey, somebody just spawned in our way. I'm right behind you. Hop in. We're gonna do a drive around.
Like how all the cars just despawn.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
No, that's why my ping dropped and my FPS, you know, is now not
Yeah, they do
dropping
spawn off
issues at 50.
like a couple like half a
They
minute or
despawn like
more.
after like 2-3 minutes ish.
Yeah.
That's sad. Alright, I'm pulling back up. Well,
No, I
I
don't
got
know
a
if
good
it's.
view of all the cars that went around.
At least my GPU is actually, taking a break. You know?
Yeah.
Holy shit. My shit had a workout.
What's fun?
Bro, Dimzo again. Like, seriously, he's not supposed to hit, and you keep TK. You won't stop team killing me. Like, it's been like 5 times you team killed me.
My PC's raising temperature.
When this
I'm
guy's
looking, I'm
not
looking at the
supposed to
I'm
be
looking at the
there.
temperature strip of my PC, and this is my PC went from like sub 60 to like 60 to 70 right now.
For real, how do you
CG,
get
how
hurt?
Yeah, I can
How
feel
did
the
you do-
heat in my PC case right now, just putting my hand on my glass.
who blew
how
up
did
all
you
the
make
cars?
money so fast?
Fucking QD did.
Did he mark his money before blowing them up?
I think
I
he just
have
left.
no, he's right behind you guys.
No, he
Um,
left and rejoined, maybe.
I was gonna
Guys,
say
how do
he
you
should have marked his money so that he could see how much that he got or how much he lost.
QD and Panda, how do you make money so fast?
Where's my AK?
Who's this guy?
Dimzo. Oh, did
It's called just sitting all
Did
day on
you
a
kill
server and
him?
just fucking print grinding. Or, you know, I don't know if that's like bank glitch or blanks
Make.
or whatever the fuck has been fixed.
Guys, is this guy that's in our way
I think we
that's
should do practice 1v1s.
there's some guy with his hands up in our way, and I don't think
Kill them, it's
he yells
just
because he doesn't
idiot.
have the uniform.
Liesel?
Yeah, Lizio,
This
yeah.
pro head grandmaster, I don't know if he's in EL either. He has no uniform, he's not a
No,
pro.
he's in EO.
Oh,
So
okay.
should I just like gun him down
Why
or
didn't you
what?
give me the money back?
Steezy, we should do 1v1. I say 1v1, but you guys can do what you want.
Okay.
Steezy, how about this? They come to the person they want to do. So I'll
My
say
ping,
1v1 and you do
why
the
did it just
fireworks.
jump back up to 2,000?
Wait, what's happening?
Yo, is somebody spawning in cars again? My ping just jumped back to 2,600.
Where's
Oh,
Dimzo?
thanks,
Or is
Stevie.
he not now anymore?
Yeah, Maury, you just fucking vanished.
Mori, I'm in EL, but I'm saving your Robux. What do you mean? Ski, explain. Yeah, Ski just TP'd me to her.
Fucking snapped,
Hey,
bro.
man, I'd
Shit.
love to get you
Stop team killing
Robux.
me, Dimzo.
Oh. Oh. That's more understandable. Okay. I have it. I just don't want to wear it because it looks like giant poo-poo. All of EL versus Steezy. Here, real quick. I'll fucking
Yeah.
don my uniform. Or my uniform pants, at least.
Wait,
Wait, what's the
everyone
uniform?
become blindfolded versus Steezy. How about that?
Yeah, Steezy, blindfold yourself and then PvP us. Let's see how good that shit.
That's it,
Nico's
it's
active. Nico's active
That's my
again.
pick. I pick.
Yeah,
I
pulls
pick
out
Ski.
Death Wish.
Ski,
Death
get
Wish
your
in
death
God mode.
wish. Get your death wish, Ski. I pick Ski. Ski, come here. Come on, Ski. I pick Ski. Yeah, how about it's just
God
Ski
mode
and
and
me
Death
versus everyone
Wish.
else?
Polo Lou and
Let's go.
Steezy
Ski.
fought her.
Can we do Ski and me
Polo Lou
versus
guy.
everyone else? Just Ski and me versus everyone else.
Nah, dude, just Polo Lou. God mode. And then ban
Just
Steezy
fucking
when
executed
realize
that
he's God
man.
moded.
I told him to put his hands up
Rory
against the wall and
reset
go
it.
in first person. I one tapped him.